boost. Let's get started. Let's do this. So, what you saw was Lumagrowl from Bakugan Dundalian Invaders, one of my favorite Bakugan. And yes, that is what we're drawing. That is who we're drawing today, and what we're drawing today. Anyways, let's get started. Okay, so in starting Lumagrowl, you must start by drawing his eye. Alright. There we go. So, there's his Lumagrowl's teeth. Now we'll just draw the rest of his mane. There we go. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
There we go. Now we just draw the leg here. One of his front claws. We just draw the front claw. Go. Now we just draw his toe claws. It's like the golden compass. That lion. Alexa, what is the golden compass?
Northern Lights is a young adult fantasy novel by Philip Pullman, published in 1995 by Scholastic UK. Set in a parallel universe, It follows the journey of Lyra Balakra to the Arctic in search of her missing friend, Roger Parslow, and her imprisoned uncle, Lord Asriel, who has been conducting experiments with a mysterious substance known as dust.
Your heart is too heavy, some things you carry a long time. Been up, you've been down, tired and you don't know why. But you're never gonna go back, you only live one life. Let go,
Just draw the rest of his mane.
let go, let go, let go, let go, let go. Today, live like you wanna. Let yesterday burn and go within a fire, in a fire, in a fire. Fight like a warrior. Today, live like you wanna. Let yesterday burn and go within a fire, in a fire, in a fire. Live like a warrior. Today, live like you wanna. Let yesterday burn and go within a fire, in a fire, in a fire. Fight like a warrior. Today, live like you wanna. Let yesterday burn and go within a fire, in a fire, in a fire. Live like a warrior.
There we go. Alexa, what does illuminate mean?
Illuminates is a form of the word illuminate. As a verb, illuminate is usually defined as to supply or brighten with light, light up. As an adjective, illuminate is usually defined as illuminated. As a noun, illuminate is usually defined as a person who is or affects to be specially enlightened. For more, ask me to give you more definitions for illuminate.
There we go.
Feel like the world don't love you, they only wanna push you away. Some days people don't see you, you feel like you're in the way. Today you feel as everyone hates, pointing their finger looking at your mistakes. You do good, they want great. No matter what you give, they still wanna take. You give your love and they throw it back. You give your
There's the
heart,
next
they
toe.
go on attack. When there's nothing left for you, only thing that you can do, say, today, live like you wanna. Let yesterday burn and go within a fire.
There we go.
In a fire, in a fire. Fight like a warrior. Today, live like you wanna. Let yesterday burn and go within a fire. In a fire, in a
Go.
fire. Live like a warrior. Some things you should let go. They're only
And
gonna
last but not least, we just draw the tail.
just like weight on your
It's like 9
shoulder.
tails.
They're only gonna make you drown. We all
Except
swing
Lumagrowl's
high,
more
we all
prideful.
swing low. We all got secrets people don't know. We all got dreams we can't let go. We wanna be brave, don't be afraid. No. Today, live like you wanna. Let yesterday burn and go within a fire. In a fire, in a
Wow.
fire. Fight like a warrior. Today, live like you wanna. Let yesterday burn and go within a fire. In a fire, in a fire. Live like a warrior. Your heart is too heavy, some things you carry a long time. Been up, you've been down, tired and you don't know why. But you're never gonna go back, you only live one life. Let go, let go, let go, let go, let go, let go. Today, live like you wanna. Let yesterday burn and go within a fire, in a fire, in a fire. Fight like a warrior. Today, live like you wanna. Let yesterday burn and go within a fire, in a fire, in a fire. Live like a warrior. fire, in the
There we go.
fire, in the fire. Live like a warrior.
There we go. And there he is. That's how you draw Lumagrowl. Awesome, huh? I managed to get it done. Anyways, glad I got to show you guys how to draw him. You remember this little guy? This is Lumagrowl's. This is what Lumagrowl looks like when he in his ball form, completely opened. And yes, I also have his signature battle gear, Barius gear. It was a really fun time to see him in battle, and well, I know he lost his partner in Gandalian Invaders, but I'm sure he'll find a new partner real soon. Besides, nothing can beat Lumagrowl. He's definitely one of my favorite Bakugan. Anyways, that's how you draw Lumagrowl. Let me know in the comment below which one of them you want me to draw next. And make sure you like, remark, and subscribe to my channel. And let me know what awesome character you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later.